Hi guys! Welcome back! For today's video, we're going to Venice. Tanya! Hi! Papasok kami sa tren guys. Woo! First time ko sumakay ngayon ng train going to other places. Wow! Char! Vlogger!
Lilibutin ni Neil ang buong Europa.
Sana.
As always.
Hi girl.
Ciao.
So
parang gusto mo kumain talaga, Jopa.
kumain ka na.
Hindi, I mean,
Oo, ganun naka-vlogger yung signature nakanganga. Naka-black si Jopay ngayon. Naka-violet ako. Nakapula si Mayora. Oh. Ang ganda lang sa bahay. Hi guys! For today's video, we are here at Venice! So currently guys, we're here at Venice. It's my first time coming here in Venice and we're here at Marco Polo Basilica. Ito yun guys. Hi guys, we're currently here at Piazza de Marco. San Marco de Marco Polo. So guys, nandito kami guys. Ang ganda. Uy, ang kilay. Currently, we're going to the canals here in Venice, Italy, for some pictorials, photo shoots. Together with our beautiful lady Tanya Garcia. Tanya Garcia and sino ka dyan? Tanya Garcia.
Blush on. Miss Blush on.
Miss Jopay. So guys, there's only one thing I would say to this place, Venice. Ang ganda niya. Perfect nga yung December, no? Kasi hindi masyadong crowded, hindi mainit, malamig. So pwede ka maka-aura-aura ng mga coat, ganon. And hopefully makakuha kami ng magandang picture sa may canals. Kasi naka-boots on Sunrowa tayo for today's video. See you! Guys, ang gondola. Oh my God. So guys, nag-photoshoot ang mga akla. And then we're here at the first bridge of canal in Venice. Na may mga gondola. Asawa ni Gondolo. Ito yun guys. May makeup? Does she do her makeup? Looking for a makeup set for Mamang. And naghahunt din si Tanya ng AFAM. Charot. Naghahunt ng AFAM. Okay lang, may booking na siya later. So, kami na lang ni Mamang mamaya maglakad-lakad. While si Tanya nakipag-date.
Dinner lang.
Oo nga, dinner at least, diba? Booking pa rin yun. Kasi nabook ka na eh. Kami hindi pa. Charot. Ponte Avenue. Hi guys, welcome back for today's event. For the next destination, we're here at Ponte di Amarco?
Rialto.
Ponte di
Rialto.
Ponte di
One
Rialto.
of the famous bridge dito sa
Sa Venice.
Sa Venice.
Ito yan guys. So guys, we're here at Ponte Rialto, one of the famous bridge here in Venice. As you can see, hapon na kasi guys, kaya ganito yung araw. It's currently like 4:30 p.m. here in Venice, Italy. So guys, currently dalaw na lang kami ngayon sa Venice. Nabenta yung isa guys. Dalawa na lang kami ang libre. So ayun, gala-gala muna kami dito ni Mamang kasi nga nabenta yung isa naming friend. Alam naman namin palagi mabibenta siya, una mabenta sa amin. Kasi may Socelia Mondragon. So currently we're going for shopping here in Venice. And then kapag di ba kapag summer, Mamang, ang daming tao dito, no? Siksikan, di ba?
Yes.
So, the best month going here is December?
Off-peak, during the Burr months.
Burr months, yeah. Kasi walang tao.
At least hindi siya crowded. But then again, pagdating ng February, meron kasi ditong events. During February, yung parang...
Masquerade?
Masquerade, parang festival, parang ganun. So, mas maging busy pag February time.
Okay. So, huwag kayo pumunta. Di ba gusto nyo pumunta pa rin kayo? Time check is 4:46 p.m. here at Venice, Italy. And madilim na guys. So, now we're doing some strolling around. We're strolling. And then, maghanap kami ng mga magandang spot or bibili kami ng mga souvenir. And, grabe. First time ko dito sa Venice guys. And then, ang daming shop, ang daming mga souvenir shop, ang daming mga restaurant, and then, ang daming mga boys. Charot. Guys, may palibring hot chocolate sa croissant. Pumasok si bakla.
Nagmukha kaming sleeping dog kanina. Nakamoy lang kami ng chocolate na melted at yung tinapay.
Ay, nabango. Tara, may palibre. May pagkain. Pumasok kami. Diyos ko, nakakaya. May papaparty pala. Intruder.
Mga great crasher.
And then we're here. Saan nga tayo, mamang?
Sa sentro. Punta tayo sa sentro.
Nandito na kami sa center of Venice. I don't know what the name of the center of Venice. Basta sa sentro kami. Ang ganda ng mga Christmas lights, guys. Ito na yan. Guys, nandito kami sa pinaka-famous bridge here in Venice na makita lahat ang mga gondola and muna sa umaga dito. Yung gabi na mga guys, ang lamig. So we're here in the famous, ano pa ng bridge? Famous bridge here in Venice. Venezia, Italia. Mas maganda dito kapag umaga guys, kasi nga gabi na wala na masyadong ilaw. Siyempre, pangit yung capture ng video natin. Ito guys. We're here in the platform. Daungan ng mga water taxi na guys. Parliament of Venice. And the front is the grocery store. And the simbahan. And the famous bridge. Famous bridge talaga malaki na ganun. So guys, I'm so excited for that tomorrow's photo shoot with these two gorgeous ladies. And that's it. Time for Rampa. Guys, kakain na yung mga mayora na sa Venice. Ang in-order nila is ano to? Seafoods?
Yeah.
With mushroom?
Spaghetti
Basta yun na yun.
Basta pasta.
And then may
Carbonara.
Enjoy, girls. Walang light? Guys, we're back here at San Marco Polo, and then i-witness natin yung Christmas tree here in Venice. And you can feel the Christmas spirit here now in Italy. Ang lamig guys. Currently it's 3 degrees here. Wow! 3 degrees. Ito yung Christmas light. So guys, the day 1 here in Venice is already finished, and
Already cold.
it's freezing.
And
It's chilling.
my blush is still on.
And my kilay is still on. Kilay on flakes. So thank you so much, Tanya, for joining our vlog for today. And we're very excited for tomorrow because we will have our gondola.
Yes.
First time gondola here in Venice. So thank you so much for watching and hope you like our video for today. Ciao. 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 Day 1 is wrapped. See you tomorrow. Bye.